Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. So in this video, I'm just capturing the consignment sales, of course, which is a part of the SAP S/4HANA sales module. So here, when we talk about customer consignment, so we are going to deliver the material to the customer's location, but the customer is not yet financially liable to make any payment to us. So the liability steps in only when the customer is going to consume the quantity, and any partial quantity, whatever he is not going to use it, he is always free to send it back to us. So in a nutshell, this is the complete process what we have. So here I've just jotted down the steps what we need to follow on the system. So now initially when we need to send the components to the customer, we need to create a consignment fill-up order, which we would be of course doing on VA01 with document type KB. So now when we create this consignment fill-up order, as I said, there is no financial liability on the customer. We would send the material to the customer, but there is no billing document. And here, for all the four kind of transactions, I've provided you the relevant movement type in the brackets that will be effective. So now when I'm going to create a consignment fill up order, we are not going to generate any billing document. It's just that physically the material will be sent to the customer on VL01 when we create an outbound delivery document. Now, after that, whenever the customer is going to utilize the quantity, whatever quantity has been utilized, which would be informed to us by the customer, that's when we are going to create consignment issue. Of course, in the standard SAP system, it would be copying document type KB to KE, but I'm not sure the labs which I'm using, it's configured with that or not. Anyways, I'll be just going ahead with without copying, and I'll show you on the practicality. So now, consignment issue is created when the customer has utilized the quantity, either it is complete or partial against the consignment fill up whatever we have sent. Now, since he has utilized it, this is where the financial liability would step in. And again, we would be doing outbound delivery document for the quantity what he has consumed. And here we are to send the billing document to the customer, because for that particular quantity that has been used, he is to pay for that. And after that, we have consignment pickup, which we do generally when the customer is returning the quantity which is not going to use. And in this case, we are going to use document type KA, wherein the unused quantity is coming back to us, and we are going to invert that material back into our stock. Why with doing post goods receipt activity. And here there is also one more option, that is consignment returns. So that's not in the process. It happens only when the customer informs of any quality issues when he is returning the components to us. That's when we are going to do consignment returns. And that, of course, will be done on document type KR. So all of these transactions we would be posting on VA01, followed with the outbound delivery document wherever applicable. So we would be sending the material to the customer upon consignment fill up. Whenever there is a consumption from the customer's end, so we are going to post consignment issue. And whenever the customer has any quantity rejections, that's when we do customer consignment returns. That will be dependent on the quality rejections. Consignment pickup would happen when customer informs that he is not going to use the balance quantity, and that quantity would be coming back to us. And in this, the customer is going to pay us only for the quantity that has been utilized by them. So this is the process what we have. I'll just demonstrate it directly on the system. I'm going to create a consignment order over here. That's consignment fill up on VA01. So here we're going to pick, you can scroll down to pick the relevant document type, which is KB order type. and the sales organization, distribution channel, division that goes unsaid that we're going to pick our particular sales area. And I'm going to pick this sold to party. Customer reference I'm taking is 23. And the material, I'm going to take 10 pieces. That's it. So before I do this transaction, let me check for the quantity what I have in stock is T1. So unrestricted, I have 4985. Quality, I have 13. So anyway, on order is pertaining to procurement that you can ignore. So 4985 is the total quantity what we have. And here I'm going to post it. Okay, and also if you look at the net value, it is 0, okay? Because there cannot be any price in the consignment fill-up order as there is no liability between the parties. So there's no value involved over here that we need to take a note. And let me save this. Now, against this consignment fill-up, we need to send the material physically to the customer. So we go to VL01N. Okay, so here the storage location, the total quantity we are going to send, and I'm going to pick post goods issue. So now if I check my stock, oh, sorry, let me go back. It's already done, sorry. One moment. Okay. Sorry, it's already been posted and why I got that issue. Anyways, now if I go to my stock, let me check the stock. So it says customer consignment. We have 10 units which has been already sent to the customer. So that's recorded separately in the stock. So now after a while, when the customer informs that there is a certain quantity which he has consumed out of this 10 pieces that has been issued to him. So that's when we are going to do consignment issue. Again, we are going to VA01. So here, generally what we do is that we are going to copy um, the document type, that is the order what we created with KB. We ideally will be copying this. The issue here I already checked. There's a runtime error what I'm getting, so I don't want to waste the time. So it's all about understanding the process. So in the standard SAP system, what we do is that we are going to copy the consignment fill up order and then we continue with consignment issue. But here, since I'm getting a runtime error, I'm just going to demonstrate directly without copying. So here you are going to um, create a consignment issue order with taking the order type KE, and rest I'm going to enter manually. So I'll pick the same customer reference number. Okay, and here out of the 10 units, I'll take it as 6 units have been consumed. Okay, so here the liability comes in and we need to have the pricing. Anyway, that condition type is missed out. I need to check the pricing procedure. So now I'm just creating by adding the condition type in the conditions tab over here. Okay. Let me check if there is anything else left over. Okay, this is fine. So I'm going to save this. Now, consignment issue has been posted for 6 pieces. Now, again, we need to do outbound delivery document, which again, we will go back to VL01N. And here again, and if you check here, we are not going to pick any quantity because it's already issued and we are just posting that for the consumption. So here I'll click on post goods issue. Now let's check the stock. You can see that out of 10, 6 have been consumed and customer still has 4 pieces with him. Okay. So this is how it will be recorded. Now, in case if there is any returns, I mean, customer returns based on the quality rejections, you can go to VA01 and you can post a KR document type, which specifies about the material being rejected by the customer. And again, you would be doing VL01 and transaction. Okay. But here I'm not going to demonstrate that. I would directly go into consignment pickup because consignment returns happens only when the customer has rejections. And now consignment pickup I'm going to do for the balance 4 pieces, which the customer has informed that he's not going to consume it. Okay. So for that, let's again go to VA01. Here I'm going to pick, yeah, KA. So copy controls are to be checked. I really don't have so much time to check it. Okay, now 4 units are coming back to us. Of course, here also value will be involved because that's coming back to our stock. Okay, so once the, okay, it says document incomplete. Let's check what is not there. Okay, order isn't in shipping conditions. Shipping conditions, I'll just say standard. That's okay, redetermine. And the order reason mean, why are we posting this? So I'll say it's not rejections or it's not quality issues. So I'll just pick it as standard written. Go back. Let me save this. Now against this, we need to bring the quantity physically back to our inventory. So we go to VL01N. Okay, so here 4 pieces. And here you see post goods receipt. Okay, so we're bringing this material back to our inventory. Okay, so this has been posted. Now let's check the stock, what we have. So now you can see that 4979 because 4985 was the quantity what we had. Out of that, I demonstrated that the customer has already consumed 6 pieces and he returned balance 4 and that 4 pieces have come back to our stock. Okay, so this is how the consignment process will be handled in sales. And of course, that copy control, you need to keep in mind that we can copy the consignment issue while we are doing consignment, consignment issue can be posted with reference to consignment fill up. So those copy controls needs to be established in configurations. Okay, so let's connect in a while with a new topic. Till then, stay connected. Thanks all.